How to make a Facebook page for your YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Facebook page for your YouTube channel. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Facebook. Once you're in the Facebook, you need to simply go ahead and tap on three lines located in the bottom of your screen. From here, you can see an option that says create new profile or page. Once you do that, you need to simply tap on professional if you want to create a page, and then you need to tap on next. From here, you need to simply go ahead and tap on create a new page, and then you need to tap on next. Now you can add your page name over here. Here I'll be adding my page name, and then you need to tap on next again. Now once you do that, you can add the category. Here I'm going to add grocery store to my category, and once it's done, you need to tap on create. Now you can simply go ahead and add bio over here. You can add contact, email address, phone number, your locations over here. And once you are done, you need to tap on next. And once it's done, you can add your profile picture over here and cover picture that you want. Once you have added your profile and cover picture, you need to tap on next. Then you can invite your friends to like your page. Here I'll be sending an invite to my friend. And as you can see that you have now created a page. And that's it. You now know how to make a Facebook page for your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.